resolutions and one ratification that hopefully we can approve on second reading. But for the two resolutions, we have an additional reference of business. An additional reference of business, so I move for the additional reference of business, Mr. President, so we can take up the resolutions.
The additional, is it contained in the additional reference of business? Majority Leader.
Yes, sir.
You need 16 votes for that particular.
Bukas pa po yung ratification for the second reading lang po.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I
Only
believe
for second reading.
the gentleman from Nueva Ecija, Camarines Norte, and Mindanao would like to be recognized.
Senator Robin Padilla is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo, at sa ating pinunong mayorya. Gusto ko lamang pong sundan yung kahilingan po ng ating mahal na kapatid at Senador Jingo Estrada patungkol po sa kahilingan namin, sa resolusyon po namin, patungkol po kay dating Pangulo Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At gusto ko lamang din pong kunin po ang atensyon ng ating mga kasama na kami po kasi ay nangangamba. Kasi meron pong mga usap-usapan na yung dati pong senador na si Antonio Trillanes ay nagpunta daw po sa The Hague at ang pinaniniwalaan po ng karamihan ay siya po ay nagpunta mismo sa kulungan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nais lang po sana namin itong malinawan dahil matagal po akong nakulong sa Bilibid. Hindi po kailanman na meron pong pupunta na tao na hindi mo gustong makita. Yun po, tatanungin ka muna ng gwardiya kung gusto mo bang makita itong taong ito.
Colleague. So, Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the reference of business. Additional reference of business.
The Secretary will proceed with the reference of business.
Additional reference of business, bills on first reading. Senate